Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to customize a message notifications tone on WhatsApp. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to personalize your notifications on your Android device. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device and navigate to the desired chat you wish to customize. Once you are in the chat, tap on the contact name at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Notifications to access the notification settings for that specific chat. Under the Messages section, tap on Notifications Tone to choose a new ringtone for your message notifications. From there, you can browse through the list of available ringtones on your device and select the one that you want to use for notifications from this particular chat. Once you have selected the desired ringtone, you can save your changes and exit the settings. Now, whenever you receive a message from this contact, you will hear the customized notifications tone that you have chosen, and there you have it. Customizing message notifications tones on WhatsApp is easy and quick. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be able to personalize your WhatsApp experience in no time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.